What are CISOs actually worried about with AI agents? The answer is not mainly a smarter external attacker. It is an agent inside the company with credentials, permissions, and access that nobody has fully mapped. Open Future Forum's August 2026 CISO AI Leverage Report asked senior security leaders what the biggest AI security problem was on their desk. 58% named securing AI agents and their access. That was 26 of 45 respondents, more than twice the next answer. Shadow AI, meaning tools used without approval, came second at 27%. Data leaking into AI models was named by 20%. Attacks using AI against the company were named by 13%. That ordering matters. The two biggest concerns are governance problems created inside the organization. They are not primarily stories about an attacker breaking through the perimeter. An AI agent may be allowed to read email, open customer records, update a database, approve a workflow, or take an action in another system. Each permission may look reasonable on its own. The risk appears when those permissions are combined, when the agent behaves unexpectedly, or when nobody can explain why it took an action. A person with broad access is governed through identity, management, and accountability. An agent needs the same discipline, but it can operate at machine speed and across several systems at once. The funding data shows why CISOs feel exposed. Only 36% of respondents said AI security had its own budget line. Another 33% were funding it case by case. 20% were carving the money out of the existing security budget, and 16% reported no AI security spending yet. So the dominant new security problem often arrives before the standing budget to manage it. I'm Murray Newlands, partner at IASV Seed Ventures and founder of Open Future Forum. Here is the practical model I would use. First, build an inventory of every AI agent and tool in production, including who approved it and which systems it can reach. Second, give every agent its own identity. Do not let agents quietly share a human account or a permanent administrator credential. Third, apply the least access needed for the task and make high-impact actions require human approval. Fourth, log what the agent saw, what decision it made, and what action it took. Fifth, define who can suspend it immediately. A kill switch is useful only when someone is clearly authorized to use it. And finally, fund AI security as an operating capability, not a series of emergency reviews. A good CISO is not trying to stop AI agents. The CISO is trying to make sure the company knows which agents exist, what they can reach, what they are allowed to do, and who answers when they get it wrong. The real AI agent security problem is not intelligence. It is authority without accountability. Can your company name every agent with credentials and explain exactly what each one is allowed to do?